In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So it's actually a quick and easy operation, because all you need to do is to click on the square icon. Here you've got all apps that are currently active. Actually, I've got just one open, so let me open a few more so you can see it clearly. And for example, phone the other. And now just click on square again. Here you've got all apps that are currently active, and to close all of them, just click on cross icon. As you can see, they will be closed. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer any background app opened, so your device will definitely work faster. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.